everyone, I'm Aditi from Emax International School. Today in this video we will discuss science chapter Our Environment. What is environment? The physical, chemical and biological conditions of a living organism in which it lives is known as its environment. Environment is classified into three components: physical surroundings, living organisms and climatic factors. Physical surroundings include soil, air and water bodies. Living organisms include plants, animals, and decomposers like bacteria and fungi. Next is climatic factors. It includes humidity, rainfall, and wind speed, etc. Next, I would like to tell you about ecosystem, a community of organisms in which they live together and interact with each other is known as ecosystem. Ecosystem is divided into two components: abiotic components and biotic components. Abiotic components include non-living beings and biotic components include living beings. Next, I would like to tell you about trophic levels. Each step or level of food chain forms trophic level. Trophic levels are divided into three subgroups. First trophic level includes producers, second trophic level includes consumers, and third, the last one includes decomposers. Next, I would like to tell you the role of decomposers in our environment. They help in breaking down the complex organic material into simple inorganic material, which go into the soil and is used up by plants. They help in maintaining the fertility of soil by putting humus into it. They maintain the nutrient pool of the earth by putting various materials back into the nutrient pool. In this way, they act as the cleansing agents of the earth. Now, I would like to tell you that why some substances are biodegradable and why some non-biodegradable. Some substances that are broken down by biological processes easily are known as biodegradable substances. In our environment, many of these substances are broken down easily by the decomposers like bacteria and fungi, as they possess specific enzymes for such activities. However, some other substances that are not broken down by decomposers are known as non-biodegradable substances. As they are non-biodegradable substances, they persist in the soil for a long time. These non-biodegradable substances will be acted upon by physical processes like heat and pressure. Next, I would like to tell you that what is the effect of biodegradable as well as non-biodegradable substances on our environment. First of all, I would like to tell you about the effect of biodegradable substances in our environment. First, they may produce foul smell during decomposition process. Second, they may produce some harmful gases like ammonia, methane, carbon dioxide, etc., which may further cause global warming. Next, I would like to tell you the effect of non-biodegradable substances on environment. First of all, these inert substances require more land area for dumping. Next, excess of fertilizers, pesticides and chemicals changes the soil fertility and also harms the aquatic life. Next, some of these metals and chemical substances are easily broken down by some organisms. This causes biological magnification. Next, I would like to tell you about biological magnification. The accumulation of harmful gases or chemicals in the body of living organisms is known as biological magnification. Next, I would like to tell you about that. What will happen if we kill all the organisms in one trophic level? If we kill all the organisms in one trophic level, then the transfer of energy as well as matter to next trophic level will stop. It will lead to overpopulation at one particular level, causing competition amongst the individuals. This would seriously disturb the food chain and can cause the collapse of an ecosystem even. Next, I would like to tell you about ozone layer. Ozone layer is formed from the three atoms of oxygen. The ozone layer shields the atmosphere of Earth from the UV radiations from the sun. These radiations are highly damaging as they can cause skin cancer in both plants and animals, damage to eyes and immune system. They can also lead variations in global rainfall, ecological disturbance and dwindling of food supplies. Due to these regions, damage of ozone layer is a common concern. We can also take some steps to limit this damage, like to decrease the use of synthetic chemicals like chlorofluorocarbons, which are used as refrigerants and in fire extinguishers. In 1987, the National Environment Program succeeded in reaching an agreement to freeze chlorofluorocarbons at the level of 1986. Next, I would like to tell you about that if the waste generated by us will be biodegradable, that what will happen? Will this have no impact on our environment? Biodegradable waste will be recycled easily by the decomposers like bacteria and fungi. It will have only this one impact on our environment, that it will produce foul smell and some harmful gases during decomposition process, which would lead to global warming. Thank you for watching the video.